Hiring and firing are one and the same thing. You've got to make sure that you've got some great understanding of what you actually want in your people, that you've got clear expectations of what delivery looks like for them, but equally how you're going to hold them to account. And in terms of firing, it's not something that we really talk about much, and there's a reason for that, because it's quite confrontational, or can be. If you actually want to reduce that confrontation, then firstly make sure you recruit the right people. And how you do that is you make sure that they align to the core values of the organisation. And in terms of EOS, I always make sure that your core values are clear, they're demonstrated, and they're actionable. And that is at the heart of what you want to do to make sure you've got the right people. In terms of that, right people will demonstrate your core values. And when you're looking to hire, you should be looking around the core values. When you're having issues around performance, then you should bring that back to the core values. Are they demonstrating them or not? And if they're not, it's a lot easier conversation if you can actually draw it back to a data point than just sort of saying, oh, it's you, not me.